Welcome back, YouTube viewers. Once again, I got a short update for you. I figured since I repaired something, I should probably update you and show you what I just repaired and how I did this. So before we go on, we're going to have to look at a video we've already seen 3 times, but just to show you, I want to show you what this error going on is. So we're going to look at the service display when I turn this thing on. All right, here we go. So that second message, warning, default keys loaded. You know, I didn't think that should be there. Basically, it's a warning. Why should it show up every time? So here's what I thought about this. I know I've gone in there and I've checked that the keys are locating the correct stuff, but I didn't understand why this message keeps showing up. Okay, so one of the first things to take a look at is basically all of these buttons on the top surface of the machine, okay, are actually numbered. Every one of the switches, including the little thing between the edit and the Q dials there, that's number 1, and you'll see it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 to 7, and then all the other ones over there on the other side, including the ones underneath the little door. All right, so those are the actual key numbers, and what we need to do is we need to assign a function with each key number. So they default to what we've seen. That's what they're saying, the default keys. But what I did is it actually went in and reprogrammed each key, okay, to its function, and then stored all those keys. And if I did all that correctly, I think that warning thing will go away. So let's take a look here. Okay, so what we do, go down over to mode. Oops, let me do that again. Down over to the mode thing, down over to deck, down over to keys only, down. Okay, so first key here is the rewind key, and it says it's 301. And according to the chart, that is correct, okay? And so what we do here, all right, is I'm going to hit the store button. Notice it says press second key. I'll press the rewind key, key assigned, done. All right, now with the set Q wheel, next key, forward key, all right, store, press second key, I'm going to hit the forward key, key assigned. And I'll do another one for you here, library wind, okay. So press the store button, press the second key, which is the library wind, key assigned. All right, one more for you here, play. All right, so what's going on is I'm pressing the store button, and now it's telling me I could press any key on this thing here, but I'm going to press this key right here, the play key, and it's been assigned to the play key. So that function play has been assigned to that play key. And basically I go through all of them the same way. I'll do one more for you here. Reverse play. Reverse play, I'm not even sure where that's at. Oh, there's no key assigned. You see it says no key assigned. Go to the next one, stop. The stop key. All right. Store button. Press which key you want to assign to it. Stop. Key assigned. And once I've done all of that, okay, when you're done, you come back out of it all the way to the top like that, and no errors, and that's it. Now, when I turn it back on again, turn it off and turn it back on again, you're going to see that what comes up is the warning default keys is gone. Well, that's it for today. We've solved that problem, and it's time to move on to the next one. So, as always, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, click on the bell, and I'll be able to let you know when the next one is out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.